GBATAHA. Please search for it. A Chio in the garden. A Chio in the garden. Bange anzengwe wai a Chio. How many ladybugs are there in the garden? Sawe biata. 1, 2, 3. Mobingo ngenze. Do you find a snail? Mibigurusa. Yes, I found one. Mibigurusa sendenone. I found one down here. Mogbatanga Ogbune. Please search for ground worms. Sawe biata. 1, 2, 3. Bibi Ogbune biata. I found 3 ground worms. Bange amumbudo rogo unhu tudangwa wai. How many flowers are there in the watering containers? Biama. Biakutisa na biakuti biama berewe. Ngari boa. 4 plus 1 plus 4 is 9. Maybe amumbudo libua rogo unhu tudangwa. I found 9 flowers in the watering containers. Bibilihe, as a blue. Zambaha, red one. Gudurangihe ninzaranzara pengwa. The one with yellow color. Ani bingelimo agya hele belewe ni basasa. Let us find the names of these things again one by one. Ohun tudangwa. The watering containers. Ogbune, worms. Ngenze, a snail. A Chio, in the garden. Anzengwe, the ladybugs. GBATAHA. Please search for it. Ohumbaro, the playing tools. Ohumbaro, playing tools. Mutengo bero kuchidekede. Please point your finger to a tortoise. Dekede dure. This is a tortoise. Munebi bange kyogude unwai. How many dolls do you find? So we 1, 2. Maybe kyogude uwe. I found 2 dolls. Ginirangi duchi gaza. What color does a drum have? Zambarangi, red color. Pushirangi, white color. Penguarangi, that is a green color. Nzaranzara penguarangi, that is a yellow color. Will do a peningbo na kunjini? Where are the xylophone and the guitar? A peningbo dule na kunji dule. Here is xylophone, or here are xylophones, and here is a guitar. Ani wilikinga limo ja heleche belewe ni vovoho. Let us learn the names of these things again from beginning. Kunji, that is a guitar. A kpeningbo, that is a xylophone. Gaza, it's a drum. Rengi, a color. Piogude, dolls. Dekede, tortoise. Ohumbaro, playing tools. Gini kurahe bimongo ho hane kani wilikili mohorogo pazande. What are other things you find here? We can learn their names in pazande. Maybe nyege. I found a bee. Kuranyege dure. Another bee is here. GBATAHA. Please search for it. Anyakporo, the house animals. Anyakporo, the house animals. Mobingo zile na ngboru ni zambaha. Do you find a bird with a red beak? Udule. Yes, it is here. Mutengo berokuti ango dun. Please point out to all dogs. Sanwe biata biama bishwe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe ango ni dungura. I found many dogs. Mobingo bange akoro wine. How many fish pots do you find? Sa we biata biama bishwe betisa biata libwa bawe nasa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe akoro bawe nasa. I found 11 fish pots. Mobingo bombo ango. Do you find a dog's house or a house for dog? Mutengo bero kutini. Please point it out or point to it. Chidure. It is here. Bombo ango dure. Dog's house is here. Anu wulikinga alimo agahele beleweni vovoha. Let us learn the names of these things once more. Bombo ango, dog's house. Akorochio, fish pots. Ango, dogs. Ngboru, the mouse or the beak. It's mouse. Ngboru. Zile, that is a bird. Anyakporo, the house animals. Gini he bimongo ho hane kani wuligi pahabalewe rogo pazande. What have you found in this picture that we can learn its name in Pazande? GBATAHA. Please search for it. Bambi Deimeo, in the bathroom. Bambi Deimeo, in the bathroom. Mogejinga kai pe bombo ageno. Please count the rolls of toilet paper. Sa we biata biama bishwe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe kai Pebombo ageno biswe. I found 5 rolls of toilet paper. Mobingo azagbali wori. Where do you find combs? Azagbali gudule. Here are combs. Amini dungura. They are many. Welidu kolinde na pakolinde ni. Where is a brush, a toothbrush and a toothpaste? Kolinde dule na pakolinde dule. A toothbrush is here and a toothpaste is here. Kolinde ni dungura. There are many toothbrushes. Kolinde ni dungu he. There are many toothpaste also. Mobingo bichirobi. Do you find a mirror? Yes. Bichirobi dule. This is a mirror. Gukuro bichirobi dule. This is another mirror. A bichirobi hele ni dungura. A bichiro okay. Mirrors are found many here. Ani gidinga limo aga hele chebelewe ni vovo. Let us count the names of these things again from beginning. Bichirobi, mirror or a mirror. Pakulinde, that is toothpaste. Kolinde, toothbrush. Azagbali, that is combs. Zagbali is one. Azagbali means many combs. Pebombo ageno, that is toilet paper. Kai pebombo ageno, the rolls of toilet paper. Bambi de meyo, in the bathroom. GBATAHA, please search for it. Bamba kada atolombulio, in the car workshop. Bamba kada atolombulio, in the car workshop. Bange angbagida nwai adunga mbatara tiniya. How many bicycles are there without their seats? Sa we biata. 1, 2, 3. Mibi angbagida biata adunga mbatara tiniya. I found 3 bicycles without their seats. Yamo kamubi ngbako. Can you find a hammer? Yes. Sa we biata biama bishwe. Angbako ni dungura mibira bishwe. There are many hammers. I found 3. Mugbatanga azogbo. Please find chains. Azogbo. Sa we biata biama bishwe. Mibi azogbo bishwe. I found 5 chains. Mobingo parawaji na sukaji. Do you find a brush and a pump? Yes. Udure. It is here. Dure. Here is a brush. Dure. Here is a pump. Ya mubingo kurahe ho rogogi surare kani wiliki paharogo pazande. Do you find anything in this picture that we can learn it in Pazande? Ani wilikinga limo ahebelewe bamba kada atolombuli yorogo Pazande. Let us learn again the names of things in the car workshop in Pazande. Sukeji, a pump. Boroweji, a brush. Azogbo, chains. Mbaku, a hammer. Mbata, that is a seat. Mbatara, that means their seat. Angbagida, it is a plural for bicycles. Usa ngangbagida, when it is one, it is called a bicycle. When there are many, we call angbagida, bicycles. Bambakada atolombulio, in the car workshop. GBATAHA, please search for it. Bamangalyaheyo, in the kitchen. Bamangalyaheyo, in the kitchen. Mutaingo bero kuchi komondoro. Please point your finger to the tomato. Komondoro dure. This is tomato. Kurahadure. This is another one. Kurahadure. Another one is here. Kurahadunore. Another one is this side. Akomondoro ngange. There are many tomatoes. Welidu kangirani bange henwai. Where is a filter? How many are there? Kangira guasa. There is only one filter. Mibihesa. I found one. Mobingo ranga. Do you find onion? Mibi ranga sa. Yeah, I found onion also one. Bange arikare wine. How many spoons are there? Arikare ni dungura. There are many spoons. Sa uwe biata biama bishwe. Batisa. Bachiwe. Arikare ni dungura. There are many spoons. Anigijinga limo agahani belewe. Let us count the names of these things again. Arikare, spoons. Ranga, onion. Kangina, a filter. Komondoro, that is tomato. Bamangalyaheyo, in the kitchen. Gini mbatunga hebi mongo ho ane ka ni wilikili moho rogo Pazande. What are the other things that you found here? We can learn their names in Pazande. GBATAHA. Please search for it. Payo in the office. Payo in the office. Mobingo abosungo na kpakpando hair. Do you find chairs with missing legs? Yes. Chidule, it is here. Gukurahadule, another one is here. Awenwai neki. How many lamps are there with light? San, maybe san. I found one. Apeperenwai. How many candles are there? Apepere san uwe biata biama bisho batisa. Apepere ni dungu he. There are many candles. Wari do bichirobini. Where is a mirror? Bichirobi dure. Gukura bichirobi dure. This is a mirror and this is another mirror. Anu wilikinga alimo ajahene che beriwe. Let us learn the names of these things again. Bichirobi, a mirror. Apepere, candles. Awe, lamps. Abosungo, chairs. Payo in the office. Okay. Papandu he, missing legs. Papa andu he, missing legs. GBATAHA. Please search for it. Bambu Ogudeyo in the children's room. Bambu Ogudeyo in the children's room. Moyugungo Barandukuno Mai. Please show where the milk bottle is. Shidure, it is here. Gukurahadure, another one is here. Andukuno Mai Uwe, there are 2 milk bottles. Walidu Apanganeni, where are pinkers? Panganedure, here is a pinker. Gukura Panganedure, here is another pinker. Apanganengange, there are many pinkers. Mobingo tuno gudeni bibilihe na karikuruchini. Do you find a stroller with blue color and a star on it? Yes. Shidure, it is here. Amasikisa wori, where are maracas? Amasikisa dure sa we biata. Here are maracas. 1, 2, 3. Amasikisa nyange. There are many maracas. Ani wilikinga elimo ahebelewe. Let us learn the names of things again. Amasikisa, maracas, kerekuru, a star, nibiblihe, blue color, tunagude, a stroller, apangene, pinkers, ndukuno mai, milk bottle, bombuo gudeyo, in the children's room. GBATAHA. Please search for it. Bageda payo, in the study place. Bageda payo, in the study place. Mobingo pushikuli. Do you find a white mouse? Pushikuli dure. Yes, here is a white mouse. Bibili kuli dure. Here is a black mouse. Na zamba kuli dure. Here is a brown mouse. A kuli. Mice. A kuli njange. Hene. There are many mice here. Moyugungo bara ngwake. Please show where a pen is. Ngwake dule. Here is a pen. Gukurangwake dule. Here is another pen. Angwake njange hene. There are many pens here. Welidu kichi na mbisani. Where is a chair and a table? Kichi dule na mbisa dule. Here is a chair and here is a table. Moyugungo bara computer, kitabu, sape, printer na bagunda. Please show where a computer, a book, a knife, a printer, and a heart. Bagunda dule, gukura bagunda dule. Here is a heart and another heart here. A bagunda njange hene. There are many hearts here. Printer. Printer dule. Printer is a printer. This is a printer. Printer dule. Printer bwansa. There is only one printer. Sape. A knife. Sape dule. This is a knife. Gukura sape dule. Another knife is here. A sape njange hene. There are many knives here. Kitabu. A book. Kitabu dule. This is a book. Gukura kitabu dule. This is another book. Gi kitabule ni kisi he. This book is closed. Gi kura kitabule ni zeki he. Otadu ni zara ha. This book is open. Zara kitabu. An open book. A kitabu ngange hene. There are many books here. Computer. Computer is a computer. Gidule nga computer mbisa. This one is a desktop. Gukura computer mbisa dule. This is another desktop. A computer mbisa nyange hene. There are many desktops here. Gidule nga computer limboso. This is a laptop. Computer limboso gwansa. A laptop is only one, or the laptop is only one. Okay. Ani gijinga limo ahebelewe nivovo. Let us learn the names again from beginning. Bagunda, a heart. Printer, sape, a knife. Kitabu, a book. Computer, mbisa, a table. Kichi is a chair. Ngwake, a pen. Kuli, that is a mouse. Kuli, that is mice. When you add a there, kuli, mice. Bageda payo, in the study place, or you can say in the study area. Bageda payo.